This is a transformational trip for our kids, and I think we see when we start out that maybe half of them have never been to our nation's capital. And so in that way, it's transformational for them even to get off the plane and see some of the things they've only seen in pictures before.
If absolute favorite part was being able to tour with the students and to walk the National Mall with the students and just spend that time with them and watch their eyes open wide when they went into the different rooms.
It's beyond what it is we do with all the other stuff, which is also amazing. All the meetings with our senators. The times that we walk in and there is our senator speaking at the gallery on the floor. And those are things the kids walk away from and they remember those for a long time.
I believe the way that you can make change is stepping up, attending programs like Close Up, getting involved with your tribe, getting involved with your legislators.
Those students who come here, some of them might choose to be delegates, senators, to even just come back to the nation's capital, all because of what they learned while they were here at Close Up.